the sensor is already provisionized, and because of this, the first step will be to reset the sensor. I will do the firmware upgrade with FU. For this, I at first have to set up a Bluetooth connection between the sensor as well as the mobile phone from where I want to upload the firmware with DFU, which is the app which is referred here inside of the repository. Currently, I get the response that the firmware upload is done properly. With this set, I now will use the serial connection with PuTTY. There again, I have to set the baud rate correctly, and with this done, we should be able to reach the sensor. Like it's told here in the reset tag file, we can reset the NTAG by pressing 5, and if the connection to the NTAG is properly, we should get NTAG reset to default, exactly with this response we have got. Now we press 0 like it's set here in the tutorial, and then we have to switch the firmware once again.